So now let's see how we can generate charts inside of Google Sheets. So over here, you can see that I have a title right here, and then I got a bunch of items right here. And let's say I want to generate out a chart by using this data. So in order to do that, I can simply select out the cell range just like this to take as a reference for the chart data. And then I can go around over here on to insert chart menu right here. Or you can also go to insert right here, and chart is an option, as you can see. So once I click on chart, then what happens is that this is the chart. As you can see, a pie chart has been generated over here by default. You can go around and then change the chart according to how you like. You can resize the chart over here as well and place it wherever you want. So pie chart is selected, and if you're not happy with it, on the setup part, you can choose the type of chart you want. Let's say, for example, bar chart right here. There you go. You want to go for this type of a chart right here, or this type of a chart. So you can go around and select the type of chart you want over here. So you can go around over here and just like this as well. So you got different type of creative charts that you can work around with over here as well, just like this, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around with the column chart for this one. And over here, you can see that you can go around with different sort of stackings right here, just like this, as you can see right here as well. And you can select the data range if it is not correctly created. You can go around and work around with the quantity right here, or the product, as you can see right here. You can go around with aggregation options. You can go around with other things, as you can see right there. You can switch the rows and columns as well if the chart is not being displayed correctly right here. You can use one row as header right over here as well, and so forth, as you can see right there. And that is how you can generate charts so that you can use it with your spreadsheet data inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.